Okay. Let's move on. Next question, dear students. Question number 9. And we are continuing with the Cartesian product. So, numbering, I mean, it's a question number. There, I think the last question was 8. Now, all the problems are now on first PUC relations. The ordered pair 5 comma 2 belongs to the relation. So, this pair will belong to which relation? Very simple. Just take this pair. As you can see, in all this order pair, first element is x, second element is y. So this is x and this is y. Substitute here. The option which will satisfy will be our relation. And both are integer. You can see here, yeah, it is integer only. Now if I put here, y is equal to, in this if I put y is equal to x minus 5. X is 5 here. When I put x equal to 5, we get y is equal to 5 minus 5 is 0. But they have given y is equal to 2. So option A out. Similarly, put here. Okay. Now you can just check from here, x is 5. 5 plus 5 is what? 10. Not equal to y value is 2. Option B is also out. Come here. X value is 5. 5 and y is 2. So put x is equal to 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Yes. Option C is correct. When I put x is equal to 5, 5 minus 3 is 2. Yeah, 5 comma 2 belongs. If you check here, okay, first option C is correct. Let's check option D also for better clarity. X value, x is equal to y minus 3. Y value is 2. Put y value is equal to 2. Then this will be x is equal to 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. But x value is 5. Therefore, but x value is given as 5, therefore this is rejected. So option D is also rejected. Only option C is correct. Moving on to question number 10. Let R be a relation in N defined by R is set of all ordered pairs 1 plus x comma 1 plus x square where x is less or equal to 5. X belongs to natural number. Then which of the following is false? I want false one. First option, second and third. First is on relation R, second on domain, third is on range, and the last is none of this. See, we have to check which of the following is false. Just see, they are saying that x is less or equal to 5, right? So now one by one I have to substitute here and then get it. So let us find R. And here, let us write here, what is the order pair? 1 plus x comma 1 plus x square. X is a natural number and x is less or equal to 5. So let us substitute one by one. When x is equal to 1, natural number starts from 1. Don't forget, natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and infinite. But here x is our natural number, but x is less or equal to 5. So up to 5, we have to take x value. So like x is equal to 1 here. For x is equal to 1, I am writing the ordered pair. 1 plus 1, 2, comma. X is equal to 1. 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. I hope this point is clear. Next, when I write here, for x is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. X is 2. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Then here, x is equal to 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. And x equal to 3. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Then x is equal to 4. I'll put here 1 plus 4, 5. 4 square 16. 16 plus 1 is what? 17. X is equal to 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. X is equal to 5. 5 square is 25. 25 plus 1 is what? 26. I'll have to stop here. Why? X is less or equal to 5. Don't get confused when you will see, sir, it is more than 5. Be careful. This is the value of x plus 1, not x. If x is less or equal to 5, x plus 1 will be what? Less or equal to 6. So we have to stop there. Now just check first option. 2, 2. Yeah, 2, 2, 3, 5, 4, 10. 5 comma 17. Here it is 6 comma 25, but here we have got 6 comma 26. They want the false one, so option A is false. So option A is correct. Let us try to complete the problem. Let us recall again how to find domain and range. As I said, please remember, in any ordered pair x comma y, always the first order in the first element of the ordered pair will be domain, and second element of the ordered pair will be range. So, coming to the domain, what is the domain? See this odd relation, the first element of the order pair is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will be our domain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whereas the range will be the second element of the order pair, that is 2, 5, 10, 17, 26. 2, 5, 10, 17 and 26. And yes, you can see both are the same. B and C is correct, but you want the false one. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now it is move on to the next. Okay, so moving on to question number 11, dear students. Let R be a relation on the set n of natural numbers n. So see, as soon we have a problem on relation, we have to identify two things. One is set A and the relation R, set A to B, okay? And if they have not given the second set, it's nothing but set A to A, that will be mentioned here. It is defined on n, nothing but it is from n to n only, defined by the relation that the order pair is obeying the condition that x plus 2y is equal to 4. This is a relationship. Now, since I want to find range is nothing but always y value. Solve for y. So if I transpose this, I will get 2y is equal to 4 minus x, or y is equal to 4 minus x divided by 2. One thing you should understand here that as and how the x value will be more than 4, the number will be negative. Negative numbers are not natural numbers. It should be starting from 1, 2, 3, counting numbers. And since divided by 2, so surely 4 minus x should be even number. Since 4 minus x should be an even number, surely the value of x should be 2. Okay. And if I think as 4, no, okay, I'll let 4 also for you. Understand what's happening now. When x is equal to put here, we are going to have y is equal to 4 minus x is 2. 4 minus 2 divided by 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So y is equal to 2 by 2, nothing but y is equal to 1. And as soon I take this x is equal to 4, put here. So if I take as 1, put in 1, we will have y is equal to 4 minus 4 divided by 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. So y is equal to 0. This is not a natural number. This is not a natural number. And now you try the remaining. From here we will getting a negative number. So the only y accepted value is 1. Therefore the range of the problem is 1, which is there in option C. Sorry, option A. Kindly make a note. Okay, dear students, let's proceed to the next question. Let S be the order pair A comma B such that B is equal to mod of B. Okay, B is equal to mod of A minus 1, where A is an integer and mod of A is less than 3. Then the range of S is. See, this is what in chapter 6 I discussed 5 different ways of writing the interval with respect to modulus. Mod x less than a less or equal to a, mod of x more than a greater or equal to a. Okay, and one more also discussed. Now here first we have to try to break this, means try to know which are the element for a. So see, since they have said which are the element satisfies A on this letter. See, this we know that if mod of x is less than A, this means minus A is less than x less than A. So in place of A we have 3, in place of x we have A. So substitute here, we are going to have, this is your A and this is our x. If I go with this, so this implies minus 3 is less than A less than 3. Between minus 3 to 3, plot the number line. 3 is here, minus 3 is here, and it is strictly less than open ball. Which are the integers lying here? The integers which are lying there, or I can say A belongs to, or A value is, set of values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. And now since I want range, nothing but B value I want. So that's why there is no range, nothing but B value. Don't forget, always the first, in the order pair, the first element will give you domain, and the second element will give you range. Okay, it's regarding no. For a while, all fine. Okay, fine. Now let us start from here. So b is equal to mod of a minus 1. So 1 by 1, let us put the value of a. When a is equal to minus 2, put in equation number 1. Okay. b is equal to mod of minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 2 minus 3. Mod of minus 3 is plus 3. Okay. One thing is here that b is always going to be non-negative. So very clearly option B is out and option D is out because you can see negative. I use the word non-negative. Mod of a number can be positive also as well as a 0 also, but not negative. Now next, when a is equal to minus 1, put in equation number 1, nothing but this. Then what we are going to have, b is equal to mod of minus 1 be minus 2. Mod of minus 2 is what? Plus 2. Similarly, when I put a is equal to 0 in 1, we are going to have b is equal to modulus of 0 minus 1 is minus 1, mod of minus 1 is plus 1. Next, a is equal to 1 and lastly a is equal to 2. Put in equation number 1 in each of this. So I'll get b is equal to 1 minus 1 will be 0. That's why I said modulus of a number can be positive as well as 0. Then again b is equal to 2 minus 1 will be 1. So the range is, therefore the range is nothing but set of second elements is 3, 2, 1, 0. 1 is already 10, element should not be repeated. So 3, 2, 1, 0, option C is correct. I hope this is clear. Now moving on, next question. Number 13, let AB is equal to 7, 8, 9, A, B, C. And B be the set containing the element 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the number of elements in universal relations from the set A to B and from the set to B to A are option A 32, 32, option B 2 power 6 into 2 power 4 and 2 power 6 into 2 power 4, 24, 24 cannot be equal in counting. See, they are asking universal relation. I have not defined universal relation. Its second question is there, but let us recall universal set from chapter 6. A set A, I repeat, a set U is said to be universal relation if all the given set are subset. Correct? So similarly, coming to universal relation, first understand relation. Relation R is subset of A cross B. So it means that this will be our universal relation because all the relation will be subset are equal to A cross B. So A cross B will be a universal relation from what? A to B. If I write A cross B. If I write B cross A, it is a universal relation from B to A. So there aren't number of elements in the universal relation, nothing but number of element in A cross B, which is same as number of element in B cross A, which is same as number of element in A into number of element in B. So number of element in A, count how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 elements are there in A, and how many elements are there in B? 4 elements. So 6 into 4, 24. Therefore, both number of element in A cross B and B cross A, nothing but relation, universal relation A cross B or universal relation B cross A will have same number of elements, that is 24 in number, which is then option C. So option Chalu is correct.